morning, students. Okay, so I am, guys. I am, as you can see, the metro is just passing. I just took the metro ride to come. Je suis très content d'être ici pour laisser vous découvrir un petit France et un petit marché. On commence. Je suis prêt. Okay, so, students, bonjour, and I am calling you from this beautiful city called Lyon. And I just came out of the metro. You see this kind of a toy train here, but it's actually not a toy train. It's a food. It's a kind of a food is called in English oven. So what they do in this oven is they have this fruit, this sweet fruit, a bit sweet, which is found on the trees. And these are called marrons. So they and this thing sells the marron chaud. That means the hot marrons. So they roast it inside this, and then they basically give it to the people. So this is something which is available only in winters. So you see a lot of kids, like you have some 13, 14 years old just in front of you roaming around because it's Christmas time. A lot of schools are going to close. All the schools are going to close on 17th of this month, which is this weekend. And then they're going to have a nice time with their family. And you see all Ide Cadeau written there, the bijou and all those things being sold. And the whole market is decked up. You even have a small dog who is actually just watching, other people. Yeah.
Sir, the kids are going to their holidays, and here we're going to have our exams.
So, yeah, it depends because in India, the schools could not open due to COVID. But you know what? In France, like my son, he's 13 years old and he studies in a French school. They never closed the schools. They never closed the school, even in the height of pandemics. Just for 1 month in 2020 they closed, but after that they did not close the school. So here students, they are following their regular kind of breaks. So every year around 16, 17 the school closes, and they close it for 2 to 3 weeks, and they will be back on 4th or 5th of January back to their classes. So different cultures have different timetables. Even within France, you have different breaks for different regions. So this is the region that I'm calling you from, is called Rhône-Alpes region. It's a region which is very close to Switzerland. So Geneva is just 1.5 hours away from here. You have Alps, and this region has its own timetable. So France has been divided into 4 regions, and this is the region that we have. A gris, as we say, the gray sky that we have here right now. Now you see some students, school students who are here. So it is a rule here. If you are taking kids, especially the kids who are at the college level. Now here in France, the schools are divided into première, that means primary, till 5th. Then after 5th, they go into college. College does not mean college as we say it in English. It means from 6th standard to 9th standard, they are in college. And from 10th, 11th and 12th comes lycée. So these are college students who are wearing this. Now it is important to wear this. It is provided by the school because that can mark them as students, and then it's a safety and security feature also, so that they can identify where their group is. So it's obligatory if they are going for an outing like this. Now you see these shops here. They are made of wooden, they are wooden shops. So you see all these shops here, they are of the people who are locally within 50 kilometers of Lyon, producing different kind of things, artifacts, clothes. So I will take you further to a different kind of a shop where you get like foie gras. Have you heard of foie gras? So this is foie gras. It's a dish. And you have Emmental cheese, which you can find over this dish. You see La Tartiflette written here. Now I'll show you what is the tartiflette, how it is. Like you see this big utensil here. You see the big food here. So it has potatoes and it has cheese. So it has potatoes, it has cheese, and it has sausages also. Bonjour, ça va? So you have sausages and you have this thing, and they put it inside, and people buy them. So this is a speciality here. On my right, you can see the champagne. So the champagne comes from the Champagne region of France, and there it is in the north of France, and they actually sell this champagne, and especially in Christmas, people buy that as a gift, serve it, and they serve it with something called oysters. Do you know about oysters? They are found in sea. You see, these are oysters, and these oysters are the most expensive thing during Christmas. This biscuit comes from the Alsace region, and it is a biscuit manufacturer. It's called a biscuiterie, and this is a boutique of biscuiterie, and they are here. So they are making this since 1990, and they have wonderful biscuits. We can watch them, different varieties, different colors, and students love it. This is a gare routière, a station in front of me. These are the things that parents buy and they gift also, because what you do, you put it on a dining table, and around that dining table you eat, you drink, you have a nice time. So this is also this artist makes it, so that is something which is also very contemporary things are available here. Okay, I will show you this monument where this lady is there on the top, and this was made in 1889, and 1889 was the time this park was made and this place was made, and that's how this monument in front of me celebrates that. So you have a TV crew also here. You can see they are interviewing people, and they are doing so. They are being covered by a TV crew, which is Francois. In front of me, you have the vegetable soup being sold by these wonderful ladies. So it's actually soup of 5 légumes. So which is you can see 5 légumes: carottes, pommes de terre, courgettes, navette, poireaux, and ça va? Merci, thank you. So they make it in these big kind of utensils, and they love it. A cafe. So I'll buy a cafe from here. Okay, the cafe est prêt, madame? Okay. So say vous acceptez CB aussi? Non? Okay. Oui, j'arrive. Merci. Okay, so I promised her to take a coffee after this, because I said that, do you accept cards? CB is cards here. Like it's called CB, the full form of CB is carte bancaire. Au revoir. Ciao.